Hi, I'm Christy from 210 Solutions, and here's a quick overview of the 3CX web client. You can log into the web client using your welcome email. On your welcome email, you will find a web address to 3CX Web Client Console. If you click this will open in your default browser the login page. Your username and password is on the welcome email. Once logged in, you can see the availability status of all of your team members. You can change your own availability status by clicking on your icon in the top left-hand corner. Here, we have 5 different profiles to choose from. By clicking on the pencil icon beside the status, we can rename it. Additionally, we can set our status temporarily for a fixed amount of time. Set a temporary status of going shopping. Moving into the top right-hand corner, we have our dialer. Here, we can enter an extension number and/or phone number. You can also type in a name to query the company directory or our own personal directory. Then, simply click on the name to create the call. And here, we can see we have lots of call functionality, including placing the call on hold, muting the call, transferring the call, recording, and elevating the call to a video conference. Additionally, next to the dial icon, we have a QR code. This is used to set up the mobile apps, and this will be covered on a separate video. Coming over to the left-hand side, initially for the first time when you log into your website, you will have the bell icon. This is used to set up notifications into the web browser to ensure that you don't miss a call. Below this, we have a Windows or Mac icon. And this is used to download the Windows or Mac desktop application. Again, this will be covered in a different video. The chat, instant chat, and 3CX video conferencing we will cover on a separate video, but we can see that we have a call log where we can hover over each of the users, each of the call entries, and simply create that call again or start our instant chat. We can also filter this down. Next is the Meet icon. This will let us create a quick video meeting or jump into a scheduled meeting. The Calls icon is your recent call history. Coming down to our panel on the left-hand side, this shows us any active calls on the system at the time. And we can filter this down to any queue calls that we may be a member of, and also to display the 3CX wallboard. We also have a pop-out icon here, which is used to display the wallboard on a larger screen. This feature is more for call centers and help desk. The contacts icon show any contacts that have been saved in 3CX. Finally, down on the left-hand side, we have our More options, which contains contacts, voicemail, and settings. Voicemails can be listened here, and we also have your voicemail set up to be emailed to you. Settings. There's a separate video talking about the Settings tab and the features that are in this. For the most part, they need to be left as default, but for some of you, you may want to customize this, so please see that video. That's it for the web client overview. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see our future videos.